A chocolate boat. It's perfect. Boots, do you hear that? We better watch out for Swiper the sneaky fox. Yeah, Swiper's always trying to swipe our stuff. If we're not careful, he could eat our chocolate boat. Then we'd never get to Coney Island. I need your help. If you see the fox, yell Swiper. What's that? You see Swiper? Where? Behind the tree? I don't see him. Where is he now? By the boat? Oh no! He's gonna eat up our boat!
I'll stop Swiper from eating our boat.
Need any help?
Oh no! My leg is cut off! And it's bleeding!
Nom, 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 nom.
Hey, this chocolate boat is delicious! Oh no! Swiper eats our chocolate boat, and he's gonna swipe your leg, Dora!
Swiper, no! Swiping.
You're too late! You'll never find it now.